Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or to solve Facebook identity not confirmed. To know how to fix or to solve Facebook identity not confirmed, you should just go to settings like this where you click. After that, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, we go down to find the application of Facebook. When you will see this page, we go to click first stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff here, as you see, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.